What if tomorrow the world wakes up to World War III? No warnings, no escape, just chaos. Would humanity survive or crumble in hours? What if the world seems calm today, but tensions are everywhere? Nations stockpile weapons, spies watch silently, and one wrong move could ignite disaster. What if it all goes wrong tomorrow? What if the morning begins like any other, then alarms blare across major cities? Panic spreads, streets fill with people running, phones and internet flicker, airports shut down, borders close, nations brace for war. What if armies worldwide mobilize? Drones, tanks, and missiles move silently. Every decision matters. One mistake, entire cities vanish. Leaders make split-second choices, while citizens hope for survival. What if families separate, lives lost, streets empty, cities in chaos? Humanity realizes how fragile life truly is, and all because one day, peace failed to prevent war. What if World War III begins tomorrow? Could humanity survive? History shows wars expose the worst in us. Sometimes, the real enemy isn't other nations. It's fear, chaos, and our own mistakes. The question isn't if it will happen. The question is, are we ready when it does?